Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can set timer on the WhatsApp message. So after that timer, that message will automatically deleted. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and then you will see three dot on top right, click on it, and then you will see setting option, click on it, and then you will see privacy option, click on it. After that, scroll down the page and you will see default message timer. So select the time according to you. For example, I am selecting 24 hour, so my all message will disappear after 24 hour. So in this way you can select a timer on the WhatsApp message. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video, also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.